A comical ostrich attempted to attack a man and then fled like a child. A random monkey drop-kicked a passerby, leaving the startled man to quickly retreat from the unexpected airborne attack. An enraged elephant chased down bikers, forcing them to abandon their bikes and flee on foot, leaving their mechanical steeds behind. A playful swan gave chase to a golfer for amusement, creating a comical scene on the golf course.
Ow! I want that video!
A FedEx worker underestimated a gate door's security, and a dog quickly proved him wrong, creating an amusing scene. In a circus show, an elephant's frustration erupted, causing it to charge unexpectedly, possibly due to confinement in tight quarters. This girl dared to taunt the clever caged monkey, but the feisty primates were having none of it and taught her a memorable lesson. A charging sheep took an unsuspecting fisherman by surprise, knocking him into a lake, but luckily no serious injuries were sustained. A fearless photographer stood unwavering as a grizzly bear charged towards him, capturing an incredible moment. Hilarious footage captures a cyclist's encounter with an angry ram in France, with the ram persistently chasing the cyclist. A leopard nearly caught a person attempting to enter a truck, but a group of dogs intervened, preventing any harm. A bighorn sheep repeatedly charged at a vehicle determined to break its headlights, showcasing its unwavering resolve. Unaware of his surroundings, a man encountered a moose and hastily retreated with his dogs, avoiding any potential confrontation.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
A mischievous goat had a blast charging and taking down unsuspecting people, including a lady who found herself on the ground. A young horse escaped from a racing stable and dashed into a nearby bar in a town just north of Paris, without causing harm to anyone. A runaway bull caused panic in Peru as it escaped, leaving locals scrambling to avoid the unexpected bovine rampage. A protective rhino hoisted a pesky warthog into the air with its horn, teaching the intruder a memorable lesson. A man inadvertently provoked a lioness, but luckily the situation didn't escalate beyond agitation. A mad goat vented its frustration at a reporter with annoying questions, making its displeasure clear.
Would you not eat my pants?
A truck full of people hastily exited their vehicle as an elephant approached, fearing it might flip the entire truck. A camel asserted its dominance by ripping off a car's side mirrors, leaving no doubt of who is in charge of the road. A gorilla charged at Zuglass, which terrified the kids watching. One more punch and the situation could have taken a tragic turn for all involved.
Oh, man.
A relentless rhino pursued a tour car, which caused the driver to scream in fear as they desperately tried to outpace the behemoth. An enraged bull leaped into the stands, which sent everyone fleeing. Luckily, no serious injuries occurred, and it was eventually quelled. A mischievous monkey snatched a man's bag containing valuable items, leaving the man in a sticky situation. A wild elephant gave chase to a man, but luckily he escaped unscathed, avoiding danger with remarkable speed. Elephants broke free from a circus, running rampant in a small Asian town, creating a scene that left residents in disbelief.
Local restaurant. Barely able to escape.
A curious bear put on a show in Steamboat Springs, Colorado by hanging from an upstairs window before wreaking havoc inside of the house.
You dead. Yeah.
A rampaging elephant went on a destructive spree in India, damaging nearly 100 homes and cars. Locals were left baffled about its motive. A hawk seized the chance to snatch a puppy from a backyard, leaving the pup with only a minor scratch. A shocking but not tragic event. An annoyed gorilla playfully splashed water at a boat, then dashed off in a funny display of mischief. A tiger attacked a man resembling a movie scene, but luckily no serious injuries occurred during this terrifying encounter. A leopard in India gave chase to a motorcyclist, but was deterred by quick-thinking bystanders, sparing the rider from injury. Sea lions fiercely defended their territory on a San Diego beach, leaving frightened people huddled together, startled by the assertive marine animals. A bison head-butted a car's headlights in Yellowstone, defending its personal space. Fortunately, it ended without tragedy.
Oh, shit. God, did he hit him? Yes, he did. Be perfect. Yeah.
A kangaroo refused to back down from a confrontation with a determined boy, asserting its dominance with determination.
Get him, Jory!
What?
Get him! Push him!
No, Good job to scratch his ears. Good job to scratch his ears.
A herd of sheep had enough constant orders from a man and teamed up to charge at him repeatedly, reclaiming their independence.
Right?
Numerous lions pursued their potential meal, causing the giraffe's adrenaline to surge, making it unstoppable in its escape. A determined hare attempted to protect its friend through multiple punches, though its efforts proved ineffective. While filming an educational show on deer behavior, the deer turned aggressive, charging the host and derailing the peaceful documentary.
He got me.
A calm TV watching session turned chaotic when a deer crashed through a glass door into a living room, terrorizing a small child. A bull moose charged at a truck, providing passengers with an unexpected laugh. No expensive car damages or repairs were a result.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
That's the first time.
A lion's patience wore thin with a babbling reporter. Defense was the only thing preventing a more ferocious story.
And if it gets really cold, he can go into his den in the back. Right, Tao?
Tourists annoyed a rhino with incessant photos, leading to a heart-pounding chase and a wild tour car flip. It was a miracle no one was injured. Provoking rhinos leads to tourist cars tumbling, but this driver narrowly escaped the wrath of these powerful creatures. A fearless deer invaded a woman's car, prompting her to stand her ground and deliver a surprising kick to the unexpected passenger. A bull flexed its muscles, lifting a whole car as if it were a playful jest. Thankfully, no one was inside to witness this bizarre feat.